guys, welcome back with another video. Today I'm going to make slime out of Suave Kids and some salt. So since I already made a first batch, I put it in the freezer already. So after I already told you, guess you're gonna know what to do in the end. So what you're gonna do is obviously get the Suave Kids. Oh no. And put some in here. I didn't squeeze it.
It's about to go. It's about to go out.
Okay, so after that, I'm going to add some salt. Don't add too much or else it will be watery like everybody says. Mix slime.
Hurry up, oh my gosh,
Just wait a little bit.
Just hurry up.
Maybe I'm just going to put a little bit more. Because that's good enough. Maybe a little bit more.
How are you done?
I'm just doing my slime.
Okay, just do it quick, please. Gotta take a number 2.
He has to do a number 2. Okay, so see it's forming a little bit, right? Yep. Well, this Suave Kids, I am using the watermelon flavored 2-in-1. Oh shoot. See? 2-in-1.
No, hurry up.
And keep mixing. And after that, okay, going to put this in this towel. I accidentally did all my videos private. I am so sorry, guys. But putting this in the freezer. In the freezer.
Hurry up.
Okay. So, yeah. And I'm done. See you guys later.
Finally.
Bye. Subscribe. Give this a like.
Alright.
Follow me on Instagram on my phone.
Hurry up, gotta take a number 2.
I'll tell you later. And he's going to be taking a number 2.